Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to quickly show you how to turn off the Preserve Creative Controls feature on your iPhone camera. This is super helpful if you want your camera settings to reset to default every time you open the app. First things first, we need to jump into the Settings app. So go ahead and open that up. Next, scroll down until you find the camera option. Tap on it to open the camera settings. Now look for Preserve Settings, and tap on that.
All right, almost there.
You'll see Creative Controls there. Simply toggle that switch off. That's it. Now you can exit out of the Settings app and open your camera app. You should find that your creative controls are now restored to their default settings each time you launch the camera. I hope you found this helpful. This is just based on my own experience, of course. If you did, please give this video a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. You can find some helpful links in the description below. Thanks for watching.